K-12 means kindergarten in the 12 years of elementary and secondary education. Kindergarten refers to the 5-year-old cohort that takes a standardized kinder curriculum. Elementary education refers to primary schooling that involves 6 or 7 years of education. Here are some anti-K-12 implementation. No personal touch, more than 100 or even up to 200 students are handled by a single teacher in public schools. Thus, personalized treatment and hence optimized learning is compromised in K-12 education. As a result, skill gap has not got proper attention. No conformity in teaching methodology. The teachers teaching their own ways and coming up with their own methodologies has its own disadvantages. This makes it difficult to assess the students' performances. The likelihood of better learning remains at stake simply because standard is not followed evenly. Not a promising profession, teaching is not a viable profession with salary and benefits low compared to the other job opportunities. Thus, K-12 education has not been able to attract experienced and well-qualified people in teaching professions. Complex policies. Complex policies and practices remain biggest hurdle to assess the students and the efficacy of the schools. Also, due to lack of proper outlines given to the schools, documenting the results and establishing the expectation has been difficult. Private layers, hardly around 10% of K-12 schools, are owned by private sectors. Healthy competitions, easy embracement of new technology, and progressive teaching methodology by private schools has been overlooked. These also other anti-K-12 implementation. Parents have to shell out more money for transportation and food for the education of their children. The government does not have the money to pay for 2 more years of education since it does not even have the money to fully support today's 10 years. DepEd must first solve the lack of classrooms, furniture and equipment, qualified teachers, and error-free textbooks. We can do in 10 years what everyone else in the world takes 12 years to do. Why do we have to follow what the rest of the world is doing? We are better than all of them. Filipinos right now are accepted prestigious graduate schools in the world. Even with only 10 years of basic education, as far as the curriculum is concerned, DepEd should fix the current subjects instead of adding new ones. The problem is the content, not the length of basic education. As an editorial put it, we need to have better education, not more education. A high school diploma will not get anybody anywhere because businesses, firms will not hire fresh high school graduates. Every family dreams of having a child graduate from college. While students are stuck in grades 11 and 12, colleges and universities will have no freshmen for 2 years. This will spell financially disaster for many private higher education. Dropout rate will increase because of 2 extra years. So, this is the essay about K-12 implementation. Thank you.